Welcome to Ruth Baking. I'm going to show you how to make healthy breakfast cookies full of protein. I'm going to mix it all up in one big bowl. Okay, 2 cups of quick oats is the first thing we're going to do. So let's get we're going to get a 3/4 of a teaspoon. 3/4 is almost 1 teaspoon. Okay. Now we're going to get a cup of peanut butter. So now I'm going to put this cup of peanut butter into the mixture. Woo, that's a lot of peanut butter. Next is a 1/4 cup of honey. Ooh. Spatula. Next is a 1/4 cup of applesauce. A 1 banana mash. I'm actually going to peel the banana and put it in and mash it up with my spoon instead of mashing it up out of the bowl. No, if you... We're going to get a 1/2 cup of pumpkin seeds and put it in the bowl. And also another 1/2 cup of raisins. Now we're gonna get a 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed. Put it in the bowl. And that's going to be... I forgot to add salt. 3/4 of a teaspoon salt. And put it in. And let's stir it now. Mix all this together. So we've got it all stirred up, and now we're going to put it on this cookie sheet. But first, you should wash your hands before you roll the dough. Get some dough like this. Roll it into whatever size ball you want and put it on the sheet and flatten it out. Put your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and put it in for 15 minutes. Delicious, especially with milk.